Hi, my name is Chris Henry. I'm the founder of FreshPersonalChefService.com. Today I'm going to be making for you these beautiful marinated cherry, tomato, and mozzarella cheese appetizers. And we're going to skewer them on these cute little bamboo skewers. So first of all, I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 clove of garlic, which I've minced. And get that. Take that, and we've microwaved that for 2 minutes, about, till the garlic is nice and golden brown, and you can see the little pinch of red pepper flakes in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a skewer, and we're going to start off with any order that you like. Go ahead and do a cherry tomato, and then we're going to take the beautiful basil leaf, large ones. You want to find large ones so they can wrap it all the way around the mozzarella, the marinated mozzarella ball. There we go. We'll take one of these that are marinated. Okay, great. And we're going to put that. Then we're going to put a little yellow tomato on there. Skewer those all down. And let's do another marinated mozzarella ball. Go ahead and put that on there. And skewer that together. And there you have it. Marinated cherry tomatoes and mozzarella cheese appetizers.